Hi guys, Steph here. What have we got for you today? Yes, some of you that watch my videos on a regular basis will look at this box and you'll see this symbol and you'll know straight away we've got a Parker. But which Parker have we got? Now again, for you regular viewers, you would have seen that in my last pen haul I found a pen and I teased you a little bit. You can see there. I showed you the box, but I said I'd do a review afterwards. Now, what was in that box? Well, nice and simply, let's show you. Let's open the case up, says he. Look at that. Okay, so once again to the back there, we've got Parker, but look what we've got here. Now, what was in that box? Nice and simply, in that box was this pen here. And this pen is the Parker 65 fountain pen. It's the custom, which means it has the gold, the roll gold cap. In fact, all these are the Parker 65 custom, and it's a trio set. Now, the reason I got quite excited about it is that for a long time I had this case with the pencil or the ballpoint and the pencil, but for a long time that fountain pen was missing. I bet I've had this sort of, well, these two, I bet I've had them maybe over a year, maybe getting on for maybe even 2 years, and I was waiting for the Parker 65 to come in to make this set. I must admit, I did actually buy one a little while ago. When I received it, it was in bad condition, so it was not worthy to join these two pens in this set until I found this one. I've cleaned it up, I've serviced it, everything internally, the collector, the feed, etc, etc, the nib have all been cleaned, the converter inside's been cleaned. It's in beautiful condition and it's more than worthy to join these two in this gorgeous set. So let's go into what it is. As I say, it's a Parker 65. Now, for some of you people that know, some of you that may not, these pens were from around about sort of mid 1960s. They came after, I believe, the Parker 61s. It's when actually Parker launched a new model, which was this one, was a 65. They came in numerous different colours. As you can see here, we've got a lovely grey set. They also came in obviously the classic black. I think they came in sort of blues, maybe even a red as well. They also came out in some lovely, they came out in a flighter, which is a stainless steel models. They came out in the what we term as the insignia, which meant it had a roll gold cap and a roll gold barrel. That was the insignia. They also came out in the insignia consort, which is even, it's a more sought after pattern. It's a sort of like a brick pattern. And last but not least, they came out, some of you will know, some of you may not, in what we term as a cloud series. They came out in a, I think it was a Cirrus, a Stratus and a Cumulus pattern, which were actually very nice indeed. But as I say, I was excited to find this one to make up this set, because these have been sat around for too long and this set should be enjoyed by somebody out there. Somebody will use them, somebody will enjoy them. So now that it's complete, what we'll do is try and find a new home for them. But you can see it comes with a grey jewel to the top, a grey jewel to the end of the barrel. If I can show you the cap, it's got Parker. If we twirl it round slightly, I don't know how clear it is, you've got this little shield somewhere, Okay, and the shield it has, well, it tells you it's 1 in 10 12 carat rolled gold, and then if we twirl it round slightly you can see made in England. They're all the same, they're all 12, well, 1 in 10 12 carat rolled gold caps. They're all made in England, so a lovely matching set. Let's take the cap off for you, let's show you the pen in numerous different angles. And the beautiful thing about these, this is one of my favourite nibs. You can see the section is quite long, it comes to a sort of a pointed tip towards the nib there, and it has this, it's like a semi hooded nib, and the nib itself is marked Parker 14 carat with 585 to the right there as well. So a lovely nib. We've got the section, you can see the section underneath is quite a large section. Okay, underneath, quite unusual compared with some of the pens, but all in all in gorgeous condition. As I say, it's all been serviced inside here, it's been disassembled, ultrasonically cleaned, everything is ready to go. It's got a converter fitted, so you can actually use bottled ink. There we go. So with it having a converter, it's also what we term as a CC, which means it's a cartridge converter. But all in all, as I say, beautiful condition and a lovely pen, a lovely size, very comfortable to hold. So I'm not going to fill the pen, but I know you people sort of like to see these pens writing, so what I'm going to do is simply dip the nib in the ink and let's see how it writes. So we've got Parker 65, as we said, this is the custom, and we're dating it sort of, yeah, I'd say mid 1960s. As you'd expect from a pen like this, no, it doesn't have a flexible nib. It's quite a stiff nib, but the main thing, as you can see, it's writing very nicely indeed. So what we'll do, let's give that a wipe, and then what we'll do, we will, when I can find the cap, there it is. Okay, we'll swill that out a little bit before it goes to a new owner. Now I'm sure you want to see the other ones working as well, so there we go. We've got a nice cap actuated Parker 65, and the nice thing about the pen and the pencil, okay, let's show it to you. I'm hoping you can see that on the barrel there, it's indicating it's the Parker 65, and as before, it's also the 1 in 10 12 carat rolled gold custom cap, and again made in England. It's got the jewel to the very top there, and the nice thing about this one, ballpoint pen, as you can see, writing nicely. And this one, it's got actually a black refill. There we go. So as I say, a cap actuated ballpoint pen. Let's pop that into the case there. Let's bring out the pencil once again. If you look at the barrel there, telling us it's a 65, and as before, matching cap, little gold cone to the end there. And this one, if we actually turn, there we go, if we turn the cap for you, you can see the pencil lead goes in and out. So let's bring it out slightly again. As you can see, everything also in working order. Let's screw it back. If I take the cap off, which is a little bit stiff, there you go, you can see it's got excuse me, it's got a little eraser towards the inside there. Let's pop it back, and there we have it in beautiful condition. So let's pop that back in the case. So there you have it, the pen, fountain pen in lovely working order, the ballpoint also in working order, and last but not least the pencil, all in lovely working order. So there we have it. So I'm going to leave it at that. So that's why I was a little bit excited personally, because as I said earlier, these two, the pencil and the pen, have been sat there for a long time waiting for the matching pen. And there we have it, we've found it. Okay, they're all matching, all in grey, all in beautiful condition, and all looking for a new home. So somebody is going to enjoy this set for many years to come. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at this set as much as I enjoy showing them to you. As always, don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy, and have you subscribed? If not, why not? Subscribe, you don't miss any of the videos then. And don't forget people, although things are getting maybe, well, depending who you talk to, getting a little bit better, please still stay safe. But from me and this lovely set, I'll just say bye bye for now.